This journey is a consciousness evolution journey which I had started around 2 years back and successfully undergoing different layers of deep and profound changes in my personal life. And you I have found out how to use my soul gifts using the Merkaba activation and understood my true purpose in life as I should be supporting other wanderers, fallen angels, bodhisattvas, and wonderful beings to help them assist and transform in the personal journeys and help them find the true purpose in life and how to use the soul gifts to help others and to raise the vibration of the planet. This is something that I have found as my own true purpose in life was to help other light beings, wanderers, and fallen angels, bodhisattvas, to help them find the true purpose in life and to use their soul gifts by activating the Merkaba or the flower of life, with which they can work on their life purpose too. This is something I have found from my journey so far, and which is why I was starting to do those online channeling sessions, intuitive tarot spreads for helping you find your purpose of life, how to read your Akashic records, how to do subconscious readings, how to interpret your dreams, and many of those sessions to read energy with the help of tarot to help you understand your life purpose and the true gifts that you have, and to help you change your lives with the help of tree of life and the flower of life, which will help you create your own life of abundance using the flower of life, which are about the gifts that you have, which if we activate the Merkaba wheel inside of us, it will help us lead a prosperous and abundant life of your own. Now coming to the mission, this is a path I have started 2 years back, and still I am walking the path as I find myself more and my true purpose of what exactly was my soul mission in life. And the truth is that when I do all these intuitive channeling spreads, it helps you connect to the divine self of your soul and use those gifts to nurture yourself and to help others in the planet. And that is the best part of the journey, which I have understood after going through tremendous labyrinths of transformation and change. And I believe if you know the true purpose of what you are supposed to do in life, that will help you move in a place where you can build your own prosperity and abundance using the tree of life and activating your soul gifts using the Merkaba activation. Now, if there are any people who are wanderers or fallen angels, what happens is that they will not be able to see the world as it is. How we are seeing it right now is only a limited way of perceiving the truth about ourselves. because you will not be able to, once you are stuck in the 3D karmic matrix reincarnation grid, what happens is that there will be a lot of karma in your life. You will not be able to move out of this 3D matrix, and you will be able to free yourselves from any past life karma or karmic cycles, repeating cycles of trauma or oppression, people being kept under oppression or under as slaves, or you know people are not allowed to freely pursue their life purpose or what their passion is. Suppose you are passionate about singing, then you should be singing light language. Suppose you are passionate about creating something of your own, then you should be doing that. So this stops you from a form of expressing yourself, and you will not be able to live a prosperous and abundant life once you are kept in oppression, or once you are kept in this reincarnation karmic grid, which keeps you in different cycles or repeatedly over and over again. So all these patterns and cycles can be eliminated if you move into the freedom of creating something on your own, something that you are passionate about, whether it is an artwork or singing, or even a healing video. Suppose you know sound healing or light language healing or mudras, then possibly you can use your hands to show different mudras. Like there is an easy mudra called Akasha Mudra. This is how you create this Akasha Mudra. This is something that helps you eliminate your blood pressure. If you are having high blood pressure, this mudra, which is called the Akasha Mudra, if you keep your fingers like this and keep your three fingers upright, put your thumb and the third finger, second index finger like this, and keep all the other fingers upright, then that is called an Akasha Mudra. These are things that we can do to help raise the vibration of the planet. Singing light language is another example of raising the vibration of the planet. Now you can show sound healing or sound bath videos using singing bowls, and produce healing videos to raise awareness, and use you can open chakras using singing bowls. There are variety of singing bowls. If you see singing bowls, it can be of large shapes, starting from a small singing bowl to a large singing bowl. So all of these different sizes of singing bowls correspond to different chakras. From the crown to your root chakra, there are about 7 chakras. You can use different sizes of singing bowls to represent each chakra. You can actually use the singing bowl tones to open your chakra and balance and align them. Now producing sound bath videos using singing bowl, if you are passionate about that, then you can create something new with that and come out of the oppression, or the suppressed karmic cycles over and over again, to help you come out of the 3D reincarnation grid. This is something I have learned about myself, which is why I am focusing on mission daily, and whenever I find time, I spend either tarot channeling or produce these kind of videos to raise the vibration of the planet, to help soul groups understand and produce the awareness of understanding more about yourself and find your true purpose in life. If that is to use your soul gifts to help others heal, then you are awakened to the true purpose of what you are in the planet. And I hope everyone can use this channel to help them raise their awareness about different topics which are in the 5D, which are about the 5D Earth, the new Earth timeline, and use those timelines to help yourself come out of the stuck karmic cycles or the repeated getting stuck patterns in your life to do what you're supposed to do in the planet.